See that hole in the drywall right there? Before we started work on this house, we were concerned, a 1961 house, you know, there's a good chance this has got asbestos. We didn't want any of the workers to be exposed to it, and we're going to live here while this is going on. So we wanted everybody to be healthy. So we went on to Amazon and we got one of the test kits for 2 samples. I took not only the compound on the outside, the tape area, but also into the drywall. I also went into the attic and got a little pinch of the insulation. And we had that popcorn ceiling throughout, took a sample of that, as well as back in the bedrooms in different sections. We took samples of the drywall and the tape and the compound. So I ended up with 5 tests. Sent them in, and we are certified asbestos free. Again, way back before we started the work, but it's definitely important to, you know, be conscientious of this stuff. This is real. If you're going to work on an older home, make sure that you get these asbestos tests. In fact, I'll put a link in the description of this video down below to the test that I purchased to make it easy. Thanks for hanging out with me at the Florida Fixer. You stay safe and have a great day.